Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to learn third lesson book bag exercise. Fill in the blanks. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. THE, the oldest. OLDEST, oldest corporation. CORPORATION, corporation of Tamil Nadu. TAMIL, Tamil Nadu. NADU, Nadu, is Chennai. CHENNAI, Chennai. Second, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. The father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. The father of local self-government. LOCAL, local, self, SELF, self-government. GOVERNMENT, government is Lord, 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 Lord Ripon. RIPPON, Ripon, Lord Ripon. Third, the Balwant Roy Mehta Committee recommended a three-tier Panchayat Raj system in. The Balwant Roy Mehta Committee recommended a three-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1957. 1957. Balwant Roy Mehta Committee. BALWANT, Balwant Roy. RAI, Roy. Mehta, MEHTA, Mehta. Committee, 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 recommended, RECOMMENDED, recommended a three-tier Panchayat Raj, PANCHAYAT, Panchayat Raj, RAJ, Raj system, SYSTEM system in 1957. 1957. Fourth one, the tenure of municipality is, the tenure of municipality is 5 years. How many years? 5 years. The tenure, TENURE, tenure of municipality, 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 5 years. 5 years. Next, match the following, children. Rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Neyveli township, Neyveli township, Neyveli township. Cholas Kudavolai, Cholas Kudavolai. Mayor corporation, Mayor corporation. Again I'll read, children, listen carefully. Number 1, rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Neyveli township, Cholas Kudavolai. Mayor corporation. Children, let us see, fill in the blanks or fill in the box. First one, president. President, father of municipality, corporation, father of corporation. First one, president, municipality, father of municipality, corporation, father of corporation. Number 146. Number municipality 146, corporation 14. Corporation 14. Third one, tenure municipality 5 years. Tenure municipality 5 years, corporation 5 years. Fourth one, officers. Officers, municipality commissioner, corporation mayor and IAS officers. Officers, municipality commissioner, corporation mayor and IAS officers. Revenue, fifth one, revenue, municipality water tax, road tax, drainage tax, house tax. Revenue, municipality water tax, road tax, drainage tax, house tax. Corporation professional tax. Corporation professional tax. Children, let us see, answer the following. What are the duties of corporation? What are the duties of corporation? WHAT, what, or ARE, or the, THE, the duties, DUTIES, duties of corporation. CORPORATION, corporation. What are the duties of corporation? The duties of corporation are, the duties of corporation are, the duties of corporation are constructing and maintaining the city roads. Constructing and maintaining the city roads. CONSTRUCTING, constructing and maintaining. MAINTAINING, maintaining the city. CITY, city roads. ROADS, roads. Constructing and maintaining the city roads. Second point, providing drinking water facilities. Providing drinking water facilities. Providing drinking water facilities. Providing, PROVIDING, providing drinking, DRINKING, drinking water, WATER, water facilities, 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 providing drinking water facilities. Third one, disposing garbages. Disposing garbages. DISPOSING, disposing garbages. GARBAGES, disposing garbages. First point, constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities, disposing garbages. Fourth one, constructing libraries, creating parks and maintaining them. Fourth point, constructing libraries, creating parks and maintaining them. Constructing, CONS, TRUCTING, constructing libraries. LIBRARIES, LIBRARIES, libraries. Creating, 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 creating parks, PARKS, and maintaining them, maintaining, MAINTAINING, maintaining them, constructing libraries, creating parks, and maintaining them. Fifth one, maintaining of birth and death records, maintaining of birth and death records, maintaining, MAINTAINING, maintaining of birth, 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 death, DEATH, death records, 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 records. Fourth one points, constructing libraries, creating parks and maintaining them, maintaining of birth and death records. Children, now again I'll read. Constructing and maintaining the city roads, constructing and maintaining the city roads, constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities, providing drinking water facilities, providing drinking water facilities, disposing garbage, disposing garbage, disposing garbage, constructing libraries, constructing libraries, creating parks and maintaining them, creating parks and maintaining them, maintaining, creating parks, maintaining them, maintaining of birth and death records, maintaining of birth and death records. Now children, second question, how is the president of municipality elected? How is the president of municipality elected? How is the president of municipality elected? How, HOW, how is, IS is the, THE, the president, PRESIDENT, president of municipality, 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 elected, ELECTED, elected. How is the president of municipality elected? The president of the municipality is elected by the people directly. The president of the municipality is elected by the people directly. People directly. The president of the municipality is elected by the people directly. The, THE, the president, PRESIDENT, president of, 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 the, THE, the municipality, 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 is, IS is, elected, 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 elected by, BY, by the, THE, the people, PEOPLE, people directly, DIRECTLY, directly. The president of the municipality is elected by the people directly. Children, again I'll read. The president of the municipality elected by the people directly. The president of the municipality elected by the people directly. The president of the municipality elected by the people directly. Third question. What is the total number of corporation in Tamil Nadu? What is the total number of corporation in Tamil Nadu? What? W-H-A-T. What is? I-S is the T-H-E. The total. T-O-T-A-L. Total number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Corporation. C-O-R-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. 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 Corporation in. I-N in. Tamil. T-A-M-I-L. Tamil Nadu. N-A-D-U. Nadu. Tamil Nadu. What is the total number of corporation in Tamil Nadu? What is the total number of corporation in Tamil Nadu? There are 14 corporations in Tamil Nadu. There are 14 corporations in Tamil Nadu. Chennai. C-H-E-N-N-A-I. Chennai. Madurai. M-A-D-U-R-A-I. Madurai. Coimbatore. Coimbatore. C-O-I-M-B-A-T-O-R-E. Coimbatore. Tiruchirappalli. Tiruchirappalli. T-R-I-C-H-I-R-A-P-P-A-L-I. Tiruchirappalli. Salem. S-A-L-E-M. S-A-L-E-M. Salem. Tirunelveli. Tirunelveli. T-I-R-U-N-E-L-B-E-L-I. Tirunelveli. Vellore. V-E-L-L-O-R-E. Vellore. Tuticorin. Tuticorin. T-U-T-I-C-O-R-I-N. Tuticorin. Tuticorin. Tirupur. Tirupur. T-I-R-U-P-P-U-R. Tirupur. Erode. Erode. E-R-O-D-E. Erode. Tanjore. Tanjore. T-A-N-J-O-R-E. Tanjore. Dindigul. Dindigul. D-I-N-D-I-G-U-L. Dindigul. Hosur. H-O-S-U-R. Hosur. Nagarkoil. N-A-G-E-R-C-O-I-L. Nagarkoil. Chennai. Madurai. Coimbatore. Tiruchirappalli. Salem. Tirunelveli. Vellore. Tuticorin. Tirupur. Erode. Tanjore. Dindigul. Hosur. Children, again I'll read fourth question and answer. What are the source of income of municipality? What are the source of income of municipality? The sources of income for municipality is that people pay in the form of the THE, the sources. C-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. The sources of income. I-N-C-O-M-E. Income for municipality. M-U-N-I-C-I-P-A-L-I-T-Y. Municipality is that people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People pay. P-A-Y. Pay in I-N in the form. F-O-R-M. Form of. The sources of income for municipality is that people pay in the form of house tax, professional tax, professional tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, drinking water tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, shop tax, road tax, road tax, road tax, drainage tax, drainage tax. The central and state government also provides the money. Thank you, children.